Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to integrate Zyfi's API with your Dapp. Zyfi is a Paymaster as a Service product that allows you to abstract gas usage when interacting with the blockchain using native account abstraction. One of our most popular use cases is gas sponsoring, which lets a Dapp cover its users' gas costs when performing operations against its smart contracts. For example, this could allow users to mint NFTs or execute swaps on a particular Dapp for free. Another use case, which is the focus of this demo, is enabling users to pay for a transaction using any token. For this example, I'll be using the abstract testnet. Since it's a testnet, I've deployed a mock ERC20 token that will serve us two purposes. It will be the token used to pay for gas and also the one we use to perform transfer transactions. First, let's admire this beautiful web design that I put together. At the bottom, you can see the current balance of the connected wallet for a mock token. Notice that none of the wallets that I'm using in this demo have any ETH. Instead of interacting directly with the smart contract, I'll send a request to Zyfi's API specifying which function I want to call, its parameters, and the token I want to use for payment. The API will work its magic and respond with a payload that the user will sign with their wallet. Once signed, the transaction is automatically executed without the need for token approvals. Next, I'm gonna transfer a few tokens between those two wallets without any gas, and we'll see what it looks like on Etherscan. Notice that a small amount of tokens came out of the user's wallet to the Paymaster to pay for the transaction, while the transaction itself was paid by the Paymaster. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to integrate Zyfi's API into your code. For our demo, I'm using RainbowKey, WAGMI, and VM for interacting with the blockchain. Because we're using a custom chain, which is abstract testnet, this is how I set it up with WAGMI. Finally, let's see how simple it is to integrate Zyfi API calls. Remember, this is the mock token address that we're going to be using both for fees and for the transfers. This is the function that gets called when the user clicks the button on our front end. Step number 1, you encode the function data for the transfer. Step 2, you prepare the API request payload specifying the chain ID, the token that is going to be used for fees, and the transaction data. Step 3, you fetch the response from the API. Step 4, you create a wallet client based on our configuration and extend it with the EIP 712 actions. Step 5, you find the user's latest nonce. And step 6, you prepare the transaction data for the Paymaster using the response from the API. All you need to do now is send a transaction, which is going to fire the signature from your wallet clients and wait for the receipt. You're done.